Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will be tackling a real world DevOps task. Imagine you are working with a development team and they asked you to install and configure a backend service like Postfix on all app servers in your data center. So let's walk through how to do this step by step. So first, step one is to install the Postfix package. Uh, you might be wondering what is Postfix. So Postfix is a mail transfer agent. It helps applications send emails. Here is how you install it depending on your OS. So here first, so as per this detail shared by the development team, the new application release has some dependencies on the backend. There are some packages or services that need to be installed on all app servers under Stratos data center. As per requirements, please perform the following steps. Install Postfix package on all application servers. Once installed, make sure it is enabled to start during reboot. Alright. So on all application servers, so these are the three application servers. Let's log into each one. Now, so SSH, Tony is the user, and I'm giving the IP address of the first app server. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. Password. Let's copy from here. Alright, we have logged in. First, we need to check which OS is this. So this is CentOS. So let's try this command. If it's not working, then we can try and sudo yum install -y postfix. Let's copy the password again. Okay, it is still processing through. Okay, it downloaded. So that means the postfix installation is done. Next, we need to make sure postfix starts automatically whenever the server reboots. So for that, we use systemd for that. So the command is sudo systemctl enable postfix. So this command creates symbolic links so that postfix starts on boot. So here a symlink got created. Now let's start the service and verify that it's running properly. Sudo systemctl start postfix. Looks like some issue. Let's check that. Let's check the status first. So this one, it is failed. So we need to debug what is the issue. For that, what it is saying, see systemctl status and this command. So if you scroll down, what is the issue here? Service will not restart. Failed with exit. Unit failed. System D. Got final scheduled for schedule restart. So the issue might be this. So inside this, let's check inet. So we need to identify inet protocols. So here inet protocols, it is all. Let's change it to IPv4. Save it. Sudo postfix reload. Now let's try to start it. Start postfix and then enable it. Let's check the status now. Now if you see, it is active and running. So how I have identified this issue? If you just run this command, sudo postfix check, here there is no issue as of now, but the previous error we have seen is postfix fatal parameter inet interfaces, no local interface found for ::1. So this error tells us postfix is trying to bind to IPv6 loopback address ::1, but your server does not support IPv6 or it's disabled. So this is very common in the labs. So for that, what we need to do is we just need to change the inet protocols to IPv4. Even if it is all or IPv6, we need to change it to IPv4. So the best thing we have to do every time whenever we have to repeat something, we just need to note down the steps so that it will be easy. So what are the things we did? We have verified. Just copy all this and paste it. This one is not required as the status is up and running. So let's follow the same steps. Okay, one moment. I'm just noting the steps correctly so that it will be easy for us to identify. All right. So the same steps we need to follow in other two app servers as well. So for that, I'm just exiting from this. Come here. Now let's log into the second app server. So Steve at the IP address of the second app server. Yes, and let's give the password. The first step is to check the release version. Okay, it is the same CentOS. Now let's install Postfix. It prompted for a password, so I have entered the password. It is still downloading. Okay, it's done. Now we need to enable Postfix. Done. So it has created a symlink. Now we are starting the Postfix. Okay, the same error we are seeing. Now run. Just check the status. So it is failed. To verify what's the issue in this postfix, we need to run this command sudo postfix check. So if you see the same error, parameter inet interfaces, no local interface. Now we need to open main.cf file, which is the config file of postfix. So here, instead of all, we need to change it to IPv4. Save it. Hence we saved a config, we need to reload the postfix. Now start the postfix. enable the Postfix and check the status. So it looks good, active and running. So we have successfully installed Postfix in second application node as well. Exit, again SSH to third one. Banner at the rate. Copy the password. Okay, we have logged into the third app node. So what is the first step? Check the app. Paste. Enter. Okay, it is installed now. Installed the two packages. I think copy paste is not properly working. Okay, symlink is created. Now let's start Postfix. Check the status. Okay, I'm just copying again. It is failed as we have expected. Check if it's the same issue or not. It is the same issue. Okay, so inet underscore protocols, change it to IPv4, save it. Now we need to reload. Now start it, then enable it. Now check the status. Right. Now you can check. It's done. And that's it. We have successfully installed Postfix, enabled it to start on the boot, and even tackled a real world error related to IPv6 binding. So these are the kind of hands-on tasks DevOps engineers deal with every day, from package installation to debugging tricky service failures. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Data Enthusiast Era, and hit the bell icon for more real-world DevOps breakdowns. So if you got stuck somewhere or faced a different error, drop it in the comments. I'll reply to every DevOps question. See you in the next one. Until then, keep automating and keep learning. Thank you. Bye.